Hi children, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Now we are going to learn symphonic sounds of letter B. Okay, symphonic sounds of letter B. B sounds B. B sounds B. B for B, bag. Okay, B for B, bag. B for B, box. B for B, box. B for B, banana. B for B, banana. B for B, bat. B for B, bat. B for B, ball. B for B, ball. B for B, basket. B for B, basket. B for B, boy. B for B, boy. Okay children, do you understand? B sounds B. B sounds B. Okay, now we are going to learn the story card of letter B. Okay, are you ready children? Shall I start now? Okay, now we are going to learn the story of letter B. Okay, once there is a smart boy. Okay, once there is a smart boy. His name is Balu. Okay, his name is Balu. Okay, he came from school by bus. He came from school by bus with his bag and books. With his bag and books. He saw a banana in the basket. Okay, he saw a banana in the basket. He saw a banana in the basket. He is so hungry, so he ate very fastly. Okay, he ate very fastly and he went outside for playing with his favorite ball and bat. Okay, he went outside for playing with his ball and bat. Okay children, do you like to play with your ball and bat? Yes, right, everyone will loves to play with ball and bat. Okay children, do you understand the story? B sounds B. B sounds B. B for B, bat. B for B, ball. B for B, banana. Okay children, do you understand? B sounds B. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you children and thank you all.